Every year, PC maker Razer provides one of Razer's big highlights by showcasing one or more inventive concept pieces. These have ranged from modular desktops to triple screen laptops, and while most of these will never move past the prototype stage, it's still fun to see people thinking innovatively about how to break free from traditional designs. This year's concept piece is called Project Linda. The company insists its code names all have significant meaning, but won't say exactly what that is. It's a familiar looking 13-inch laptop. In fact, it's nearly identical to the current Razer Blade Stealth, $1,269 at Amazon.com, one of our favorite slim 13-inch systems. But instead of a traditional Intel Inside PC, this is powered by the company's own Razer Phone, an Android device with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 CPU, which makes it similar to the first wave of Snapdragon-powered laptops from HP, Lenovo and others. But rather than just sticking a smartphone processor in a laptop, Project Linda aims to blur the line between phone and laptop design by integrating the two together. The laptop half has a large empty dock where the touchpad would normally be. It's exactly the right size to drop in a Razer Phone, the recently released high-end 5.7 device that's gotten excellent reviews, especially for its smooth 120Hz screen.